So we're here at I forgot the name of the national forest, but we're here, and Mount Charleston is over there. Chris is relieving himself. So Haswickle and I, we're off to Mount Charleston. Good job, Chris.
Yeah, Mount Charleston. I'm driving.
Who drives? Hoover does.
Hoover Dam.
Hoover Dam.
So this was a couple of days after our trip, the 26-hour, grueling, non-stop trip from San Antonio, Texas to Las Vegas, Nevada. And on this day, we were heading out of the city, back into the mountains, to see Mount Charleston, and then later in the day, Hoover Dam. So we just kept driving. Something we were kind of used to at this point, to just take in the sights. Except our destination was a little bit closer, and so we could actually really enjoy everywhere we were going, and we didn't have to drive as fast as we could to get to wherever we wanted to go.
Yeah, something like this. I had my car angled differently. But then I had everything back there. The air is so fresh up here.
It is.
You ready to roll?
Yeah. Where to next?
The other side of this whole part. It's called Lee Canyon.
Gotcha.
You have some cool cliffside views here in a bit.
Cool.
And all these homes out here, cabins, all that, what a place to be. Don't let the desert fool you. It's dry heat, windows rolled down, good to go. We were stuck behind those guys for a long time. Right there's the Las Vegas station, an observatory of sorts. We had our fun driving around the mountains and walking around and just being in the wilderness. But you know what? It was time to go check out the Hoover Dam. So as we were driving out of the mountains, we saw something very interesting in the distance. Smoke. As we got closer, we realized it was a utility truck completely set ablaze. They had us stopped, but they let us go and we drove out of there as fast as we could. Onwards. Past the beautiful mountains. Onwards to Hoover Dam. And in the middle of this desert, there's a beautiful lake, Lake Mead, which provides water for Nevada, Arizona, California, and as well as parts of Mexico. Gorgeous.
There is Hoover.
So where are we at?
Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge.
At
The
Hoover
Arizona,
Dam.
Nevada border.
Hoover Dam.
This bridge was a little high up, not gonna lie. It was a little bit scary. But we braved it, moved on, and looked over and saw the glorious Hoover Dam, which is originally called Boulder Dam, but renamed after President Herbert Hoover by joining out to Congress in 1947. The Mike O'Callahan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge was very impressive. It finished construction in October of 2010. And fun fact, on our 26-hour road trip, we actually drove over it, but it was pitch black. We couldn't see anything except for the little lights on the side. And as we crossed from Nevada time over to Arizona time, or Arizona itself. We went to a little gift shop, bought a few trinkets, parked, and just admired the architecture, the engineering, and the beauty of the Hoover Dam. I'm David Asher. Thanks for coming along, and until next time, good night.